Shanghai Hengyi Pharmaceutical Equipment Corporation Limited is an enterprise focusing on producing the bottle packing assembly line, and it can provide the full set of solutions. This bottle packing assembly line can satisfy the bottle packaging of tablets, capsule, pills, as well as other similar solid particles. The whole assembly line has the functions such as automatic arranging, washing, counting, filling, weighting, inserting, capping, foil sealing, labeling, and etc. The assembly line is produced with the stainless steel. It is reasonable in structure and easy to clean. The users can select various kinds of online detection functions in order to make sure that the packaging quality conforms to the requirements of GMP FDA. The characteristics of high-speed automatic unscrambler are high speed, stable running, no clamping, and it won't damage the bottle and appearance. High arranging qualified rate. You just need to do simple adjustment when changing specification. It's suitable to the arranging of the shaped bottles such as round bottle, square bottle, flat bottle, oval bottle, and etc. And this machine carries the inverted bottle and opposite bottle detection to ensure 100% complete bottles can be delivered to the next procedure. The electronic counting machine is the key core of the whole line. And the counting sensor of our company adopts the charged couple device image sensor technology imaging element with the resolution ratio of 14 microns, while the common electronic counting machine adopts the shading method and the resolution ratio is 1000 microns. Compare the two equipments when the following three situations happen. 1. Enter the sensing area when the distance between two tablets is less than 1 millimeter. The counting of the common counting machine is 1, and the counting through CCD technology of Hengyi equipment is 2. 2. The tablets overlapped enter the counting sensing area. The counting of the common counting machine is 1, and the counting through CCD technology of Hengyi equipment is 2. 3. When the broken tablet entered the counting sensor, the counting of the common counting machine is 1. The counting of Hengyi equipment is 0 because it isn't in a normal area range, and Hengyi will automatically reject it. The accuracy of sensor with CCD technology is improved 50 times than the common counting sensor. 4. The anti-dust ability exceeds the similar imported equipment. It adopts the vacuum cleaning. The bottom sides of the vibration feeding plate is completely sealed and fitted with the cleaning tank to form the vacuum negative pressure area in order to suck all dust on the feeding plate. It can be used in a large dust environment by selecting super dusty granule on touch screen. And for medicines of different types, it can select different image modes. QA detection point is an online full process detection equipment. Putting separately a QA detection point on the front and back sides of the counting machine to judge the accuracy of filling by the difference of the net weights. Avoid the weight differences of the empty bottles from bringing the influences of the detection accuracy and guarantee the realities of the weights of the medicine in the bottles. It can avoid the shortage and overage for the products in each bottle, with the accuracy reaching the positive and negative 30 mg. It can guarantee the packing qualities of products to be 100% qualified and make the packaging step more reassuring. The desiccant inserting machine adopts the technologies such as special color code photoelectric positioning, servo motor drive, intelligent control feeding length, and etc. It can quickly and correctly perform automatic back desiccant cutting and inserting it into bottle. The equipment carries the function of desiccant inserting and re-verification. It can alarm to stop the machine or reject as soon as the problems happen. The bottle packing assembly line can also select the inserting machines, such as the paper inserting machine, plastic film inserting machine, cotton inserting machine, or silica gel canister inserting machine according to the requirements of customers. Capping machine is composed of the mechanisms such as the lifting, arranging, capping, delivering, and rejecting. The bottle is automatically capped after entering the work position and then delivered to the capping machine to screw the cap through 3 pairs of capping wheels. 1. It can select 4 pairs of capping wheels to screw the cap. 1 pair of inverting mechanisms is added to the 4 pairs of capping wheels, which makes the internal thread of the cap to be smoothed with the external thread of the bottleneck. And the 3rd and 4th pairs of the capping wheels processing torque force detection and torque force display ensure that the bottle cap is screwed exactly. 2. The reject mechanism works through the mechanical level principle and the photoelectric sensors. It can automatically detect and reject the bottle whose caps inaccurately screwed or the slant caps. 3. The cap cleaning device is optional unit. 4. The inversed caps reject device is optional unit, easy to adjust when changing specification, and it can adapt to the bottles of different specification. And the characteristics are fast capping speed and simple change specification. The induction sealing machine adopts the composite material and electromagnetic induction sealing technology. The effective output power is very large. The special sensor board is completely shielded with good cooling conditions, so the bonding time of using foil and bottleneck is short, with firm strength and fast speed as well as simple operation and stable performance. 1. The reliable shield measures. It won't produce any interference to the normal running of the other equipment. 2. The equipment carries the non-foil rejection, and it can select the inverted foil rejection as well as the double foil rejection. 3. It can completely reject the ineligible products when restart the machine after the sudden power outage. The sticker labeling machine has the forms such as circumferential labeling, side labeling, double-sided labeling, and etc. This machine has the following major functions under the multiple photoelectric detections and PLC control. 1. Code tagging, which can be laser coding and code spraying. 2. Code reading system. It can read the drug electronic supervision code, 2-dimension code, barcode, and the code reading system also carries the verification function. It can reject them when the reading data are not confirmed to the verified data. 3. It will alarm before the labels are used up. It is convenient for the operators to install the labels in time. Each single machine of the assembly line can adopt the PLC with the network interface and the touching screen. All PLC data of single machine connect and enter the bottling line, general display integrated control system, and then makes another network interface to connect with the MES system in order to realize the remote data management.